Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. So the deals at Walgreens are pretty good this week. I feel like it's the best week that we've had in a while. So if you're new here, I am going to walk you through all the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. At the very end of the video, I'll show you the items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. I'll tell you the deals that I did in store, as well as the deals that I did for curbside pickup. Now, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. Before I jump into the deals, don't forget I have a giveaway video right now where I have 2 different giveaways going on. So definitely check out that video and get yourself entered to win. I will be announcing the winners in my video on October 19th. Okay, let's talk about a couple of food deals first. These Fruit Loops marshmallows. So I placed this as a curbside order. Now, I did curbside for a number of reasons, but if your store will not print a receipt for you, you want to do this deal in store. My store will still print a receipt because they scan out my curbside with that regular scanner, so I placed it for curbside. These are $4.29 each. They are buy one, get one free. Now, there was a $1 off 2 digital coupon that applied when I was checking out online. So I paid $3.29 for both of them. But there's an Ibotta offer for $1 back on each of them. So I got $2 back on Ibotta when I submitted my receipt, which made my final cost $1.29 for both, or just 64 cents each. But as I'm looking at the back of this box, I'm noticing that there is a free book for every product that you purchase, and it says you have to submit your receipt by October 30th of 22. So this deal is still going on. If you haven't maxed it out yet, you could get 2 free books because you bought 2 items. So that would be, what, $1.29 for 2 boxes of cereal and 2 books shipped to your door. So that's pretty cool. Now, when I've tried the buy one, get one free with digital coupons in store, the digital coupon never seems to come off for me. So I wasn't expecting it to. That's why I did it online, and the $1 off 2 digital worked just fine. Now, I did these in store because I can't even find these online in the app. But the jumbo snacks, I mentioned them last week, the deal got even better. These are $4.49. Buy one, get one free. So you'll pay $4.49 at the register, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get 75 cents back on each of them. So that's $1.50 back on Ibotta. But there's also an offer on the Shopkick app for $1.88 back there, making your final cost $1.11 for both boxes, or just 55 cents each. Now, was that all the food? Yeah, that was all the food that I purchased. Let me talk to you about the other in-store deal I did. This is the only other in-store deal I did. It was on the Dove. I'm going to tell you how it worked, and then I'm going to tell you one other piece of it. So these are $7 each, but there's a promo right now for when you spend 21, or when you spend 20, you're going to get a $5 register reward back. So I bought 3 of them at $7, which brought my total to $21. I got back the $5 register reward with no issues. I had a $7 digital and a $2 digital. Unfortunately, when I was in store, only the $7 off 2 digital came off. The $2 off 1 digital did not come off. So if they both come off, you would pay $12. You would get your $5 register reward back, but there's an offer on Fetch Rewards for spend 15. Get $2 back. That brings your final total to $5 for all 3, or just $1.66 each. Now, because my $2 digital did not come off, I paid $2 more than that. Now, I could go on the website and chat with customer service and say, hey, I bought 3 of these. I had 2 different digitals, and they would likely give me the $2 in Walgreens cash back. I'm not going to mess with it because it's not worth my time. But if it did happen to you, you could get that $2 back if for some reason that digital did not come off for you. I clipped the digital on my way to the store, or just before I left for the store. So maybe that was the issue. I'm not sure. Let me know if you had issues with both digitals attaching for you. The even better part for me is that Fetch Rewards offer for spend 15, get 2. I was like just a couple dollars away. So I actually ended up getting $4 back on Fetch Rewards instead of just the $2 this morning because I had done an HEB deal earlier in the week for Dove. Okay, easy deal. If that was overwhelming for you, this one's super easy. This is $2. There's a $1 digital. Now, if you place it as a curbside order, you can use the code WAG10 to get an additional 10% off, making your final cost just 90 cents. Now, I also picked up this Palmolive soap, $1.25. There's a 75-cent digital. I used the code WAG10, which took off another 5 cents, making my final cost 45 cents. You have to determine if that's a good deal for you or not. The Crest, this is $4. I had a $4 digital coupon that applied, making it completely free. Now, I know a lot of you like the Shea Moisture. These are buy one, get one half off, and we have a high value digital. So these for 2 came out to $6.28. They were $4.19, I believe, each, but buy one, get one half off. So $6.28 for 2. I had a $6 digital. The WAG10 code took off another 3 cents, making my final cost 25 cents for both, or just over 12 cents each. Great deal on this soap that so many people really love. Now, the Poise Ultra Thins, these were $6.99. I had a $4 digital that made it $2.99, but I had a Fetch Rewards offer for $3 back when I purchased any of the Ultra Thins, so that made this item completely free for me. Now, a cheap deal, if you want to do it, are on these Revlon toenail clippers. We used to get these for free all the time. Now, of course, we're not. These are $3.59 each. There's a $5 digital. As well as using the code WAG10, it's going to take off 22 cents. That would make your final cost $1.96 for both, or just 98 cents each. And if you're putting together a little pedicure kit for someone for Christmas, these are perfect to throw into something like that at such a low cost. Now, this is a great deal, but my offer is still pending. So let me tell you about this one. The Vital Proteins collagen creamer. Now, I'm hoping that this one attaches. I tried it out on Shopkick. These are $1.49. I used the code WAG10, which took off 15 cents, so I paid $1.34. Now, I am hoping that the Shopkick offer attaches and I'll get $3.40 back on Shopkick, making my final cost completely free, and a $2.06 moneymaker. But don't do this one yet until I tell you that it actually processed, because right now it is pending. As soon as it processes, whether it gives me the credit or it doesn't, I will drop a comment on the video. So stay tuned for that. The Covergirl. So the Covergirl is buy one, get one half off. I picked up the Ultimate Finish at $8.99, the face, and then I grabbed this Exhibitionist mascara that popped up half off at $3.74. I had a $2 digital for both. I also used the code WAG10. That took off 87 cents. So I paid $7.86, but then I got back $4 for each of them on Ibotta, making my final cost completely free and a 14-cent moneymaker. Now, I also noticed that I had a high-value digital for the Maybelline green products. So, at $11 digital coupon. So, check and see if you have that one. They're buy one, get one half off. So, these are $9.99. I did buy 2, but for some reason, I can only find one of them. So, I don't know if it didn't get put in my bag or maybe it fell out in my car, but I can only find one. But there are 2 on my receipt. So, I picked up one at $9.99, one at $4.99, minus the $11 digital, minus 40 cents for the code WAG10. I paid $3.58 for both. I got back $1.50 on Ibotta, making my final cost $2.08, or just $1.04 each. Now, I noticed I had a digital for any of the Walgreens liners. for $2. So the cheapest product I could find was $2.99. I had that $2 digital. I also used the code WAG10 that took off 10 cents. So the final cost for this package is just 89 cents. Now, I don't think this is a great deal because it's not a product that I need or use, but if it's something that you use all the time, 89 cents may be a fantastic deal for you. My spin booster was spin 60, get 15. So I did not mess with it this week. If I come up with a great scenario, I'll let you guys know. But I did not mess with my spin booster this week because it was just too much and I didn't want to spend that much. I also picked up the Rimmel Eyeliner. This is $2.69. I had a $2 digital coupon. The WAG10 code took off 7 cents, making my final cost for this just 62 cents. Now, am I missing anything? I think I talked about all of it. Now, of course, go through Rakuten to get yourself an additional percentage cash back. It was 2% cash back. If you're brand new to Rakuten, use the link down below because when you spend $30 out of pocket, now it has to be $30 before tax. It has to be $30 out of your pocket, so not in manufacturer coupons. You would get $30 back in Rakuten. So that's if you're brand new and you join using my link below. Amazing deal for new users. I'm just getting the 2% cash back when I do my curbside. Now, is there anything else I needed to tell you guys? I have been posting quite a bit to my website, savingwithchristina.com. I have been posting my weekly meals there, so if you want to see what I'm cooking for the week, and I try to incorporate the food that I'm getting from my Walmart and my Target hauls as well, you can check out my website there. If you want to get a once-a-week email from me, you can sign up for my email list on my website as well. So as soon as you jump onto the website, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a place where you can sign up for my email list, and I do send out one email a week where I summarize the week as far as all the best deals that I have found. I noticed a couple of new freebies on Ibotta and on Fetch this morning, and I've posted those over on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina. Hope you guys have a great start to your week. Thanks.